Panguva ino critics at the ruling party ZANU-PF especially are linked to the 2030 plan. Vosimuka zvakanyanyisa vachiexposa zviri kuitika nemaplans ezvigananda panguva ino vachionekwa kunzi right now they have attained their 2030 plan, but panguva ino hatisi kuziva kuti chiwenga scam yazviaccepta here, yabvuma defeat here. Sanapinda mashoko panguva ino tichiona the plan yarongwa nezvigananda aiwa kuti ichansogireba the 2030 plan. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tinoda link emabdanyura chiti. However, Zvigananda have gone ahead and I had Professor Jonathan Moyo and Glenn Mupani who have come up with a blueprint that addresses all the grey areas in the constitution, including the clause that states the incumbent should not benefit from the constitutional amendments. The bill will not go through a referendum, nor will it follow the 90-day rule. Instead, it will be debated in Parliament as early as November 2025. According to Zvigananda plans, the Parliament is controlled by Bakwashe, and the bill will sail through. The takeover of CCC via CHABANGU was part of a perfected plan for the ED 2030. The problem with the Zimbabweans is that they think Zvigananda care much about constitution, forgetting that they mutilated it to be in power in 2017. Domashwari panguva ino maplans ari kungwa nezvigananda kuti vakwanise kucapture the state. Muri Zimbabwe panguva ino hazvina kumira zvakanaka. Tinonyatso kuona kuti Zvigananda they are rushing. By November 2025 varofanira kunge vatova a complete direction vakutoziva kutoti panapa 2030 plan tatosila tatopedza. Panguva ino yatiri kuona kuti the conference it ended on Saturday. From Saturday and up to the beginning of November, Zvigananda zviri kufanira kunge through the Legal Affairs Ministry pave the way for 2030. Tudze mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechituko ichi. Ava pena kumesa kushema yedu mafunguro enyu. Subscribe or like, on the bell icon.